First, who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Sonia Gandhi, C. Pratibha Patil, D. Sumitra Mahajan. Answer is A. Indira Gandhi. Second, who was the first woman Chief Minister in India? A. Mamata Banerjee, B. Sucheta Kriplani, C. Indira Gandhi, D. None of these. Answer is B. Sucheta Kriplani. Third, which is the largest state in India? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Rajasthan, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Maharashtra. Answer is B. Rajasthan. 4. Which is the smallest state in India? A. Uttarakhand, B. Manipur, C. Goa, D. Assam. Answer is C. Goa. Fifth, who is the first citizen of India? A. President, B. Vice President, C. Prime Minister, D. Former Presidents. Answer is A. President. Sixth, who is the second citizen of India? A. Vice President, B. President, C. Former Presidents, D. Prime Minister. Answer is A. Vice President. 7. Who is the third citizen of India? A. Former Presidents, B. Prime Minister, C. President, D. Vice President. Answer is B. Prime Minister. 8. When the Indian people celebrate Independence Day? A. 15th August, C. 10th August, D. 4th August. Answer is A. 15 August. 9. When we celebrate our Indian Republic Day? A. 26 March, B. 12 March, C. 12 June, D. 26 January. 10. What is the total number of characters in the Hindi alphabet? A. 52, B. 62, C. 45, D. 26. Answer is A. 52. 11. Who is the composer of Indian national song? Answer is B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. 12. How many spokes in the national flag of India? A. 26 spokes, B. 24 spokes, C. 25 spokes, D. 21 spokes. Answer is B. 24 spokes. 13. What is the national song of India? A. Jana Gana Mana, B. Vande Mataram, C. Sare Jahan Se Acha, D. None of these. Answer is B. Vande Mataram. 14. What is the national flower of India? A. Rose, B. Lotus, C. Sunflower, D. None of these. Answer is B. Lotus. 15. Who is the first female Chief Justice of India? A. Srimati Leela Seth, B. Fatima Bibi, C. Kiran Bedi, D. None of these. Answer is B. Fatima Bibi. 16. How many months in every single year? A. 12 months, B. 11 months, C. 6 months, D. 10 months. Answer is A. 12 months. 17. How many days in every single week? A. 7 days, B. 8 days, C. 6 days, D. 5 days. Answer is 7 days. 18. How many Indian states have the Hindi language? A. 10, B. 15, C. 12, D. 16. Answer is A. 19. Which language is used most in Maharashtra? A. Hindi, B. English, C. Marathi, D. Bengali. Answer is C. Marathi. 20. Which of the following is a Hindi script? A. Mass Civil, B. Roman, C. Devanagari, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Devanagari. 21. What is the name of the longest river on the earth? A. Amazon River, B. Angara River, C. The Nile, D. Selanga River. Answer is C. The Nile. 22. What is the name of the fastest animal on the land? Answer is D. Cheetah. 23. What is the main source of energy for the earth? A. Sun, B. Water, C. Air, D. Moon. Answer is A. Sun. 24. Which contains 24. Which continent has not a single volcano? A. Australia, B. Antarctica, C. Europe, D. Africa. Answer is A. Australia. 25. What is the smallest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, D. Indian Ocean. Answer is C. Arctic Ocean. 26. Who is the highest mountain in India? A. Mount Everest, B. Kanchenjunga, C. Nanda Devi, D. None of these. Answer is Kanchenjunga. 27. Which is the largest lake in India? A. Hular Lake, B. Mansabal Lake, C. Chilka Lake. Answer is A. Hular Lake. 28. Who built 28. Who built the Red Fort in India? 28. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? A. Akbar, B. Shah Jahan, C. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, D. None of these. Answer is B. Shah Jahan. 29. USA. What is the currency of it? A. Dollar, B. Pounds, C. Euro, D. Franc. Answer is A. Dollar. When we celebrate the Indian Navy Day? A. 4th December, B. 4th November, C. 6th March, D. 15 August. Answer is A. 4th December. 31. When we celebrate the Indian Post Day? A. 10th October, B. 9th October, C. 15 October, D. None of these. Answer is B. 9th October. Answer is B. 9th October. 32. Who composed the Indian national anthem? Answer is D. Rabindranath Tagore. 32. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? A. Kiran Bedi, B. Anna Ramjan Malhotra, C. Gracie Morley, D. Renuka Rai. Answer is A. Kiran Bedi. 34. Where is the Ular Lake situated? 34. Where is the Ular Lake situated in India? A. Uttarakhand, B. Himachal Pradesh, C. Kerala, D. Jammu and Kashmir. Answer is D. Jammu and Kashmir. 35. Who is the first Indian Field Marshal? Answer A is A. Jamshedji Manekshaw. 36. What is the height of the three wooden stump in cricket? A. 27 inches, B. 20 inches, C. 28 inch, D. None of these. Answer is C. 28 inch. 37. Which type of lens is used in the camera? A. Convex lens, B. Concave lens, C. Circular shape, D. Equal thickness. Answer is A. Convex lens. 38. What is the Canada's national sport? A. Hockey, B. Ice hockey, C. Baseball, D. Bullfighting. Answer is B. Ice hockey. 39. Jaspal Rana is related to which game? A. Swimming, B. Shooting, C. Hockey, D. None of these. Answer is B. Shooting. 40. Which is the Indian's highest sport award? A. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, B. Arjun Award, C. Dronacharya Award, D. Dhyan Chand Award. Answer is A. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. 41. Full form of LAN. A. LAN-R network, B. Local area network, C. Large area network, D. None of the above. Answer is B. Local area network.
42. Full form of EVM is A. Electronic voting machine, B. Election voting machine, C. Electric voting machine, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Electronic voting machine. 43. Full form of DTP. A. Desktop promotion, B. Desktop pollution, C. Desktop publishing, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Desktop publishing. 44. Full form of modem is A. Modulator demodulator, B. Medium domain, C. Monetization design, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Modulator demodulator. 46. Full form of the WWW. A. World Web Wide, B. Wide Web World, C. Web World Wide, D. World Wide Web. Answer is D. World Wide Web. 47. Hindi Days is celebrated. A. November 14, B. September 14, C. D. December 2nd. Answer is B. 14 September. 48. Bihu is one of the most popular dance of which Indian state? A. Gujarat, B. Haryana, C. Assam, D. Mizoram. Answer is Assam. 14. Yahoo, Google and MSN is A. Internet sites, B. Computer branch, C. Microprocessor, D. Hardware. A. Internet sites. 50. Inaccuracy in computer data is called A. Chip, B. Byte, C. Bug, D. Bit. Answer